Whether you are looking to remove a few unsightly tree stumps or wanting to reclaim acres of land, the Stump Buster from Shaver Manufacturing is the tool for you. Shaver Manufacturing offers 5 models of Stump Busters to ensure you have the proper size machine for your tractor or skid steer. The Category 1 or 2 3-point mounted Model SC25, designed for tractors with 15 to 40 PTO horsepower, features a 24-inch diameter cutting wheel with 23 bolt-on replaceable carbide teeth. The SC25 operates on a 540 RPM PTO, requires 2 sets of hydraulic remotes, and will grind 10 inches below grade. The larger Category 2 3-point model SC50, designed for tractors up to 100 PTO horsepower, features a 34-inch diameter cutting wheel with 25 teeth. The SC50 operates on a 540 RPM PTO, requires 2 sets of hydraulic remotes to operate, and will grind 12 inches below grade. In the skid steer lineup of Stump Busters from Shaver Manufacturing, the standard flow models SC25H and SC30H lead the way. The SC25H is designed to operate on 18 to 25 gallons per minute skid steers and travels on a 55-degree electric over hydraulic swing cylinder, while the direct drive SC30H utilizes a parallel mounted cutting wheel and uses the reverse travel of the skid steer to cut while backing. The SC30H requires 16 to 30 gallons per minute of hydraulic flow to operate, and both standard flow models use a 24-inch diameter cutting wheel with 23 teeth that cuts up to 10 inches below grade. For large-scale, high-productivity use, the Model SC50H by Shaver Manufacturing sets the bar high. The high-flow model designed to operate on skid steers with 25 to 40 gallons per minute of hydraulic flow uses a 34-inch diameter cutting wheel with 25 teeth to eliminate stumps up to 12 inches below grade. The SC50H travels on a 55-degree electric over hydraulic swing cylinder. Standard or high-flow skid steer, compact utility or larger tractors, Shaver Manufacturing offers a stump grinder designed to fit your equipment. Shaver Manufacturing Stump Busters carry a 1-year warranty, excluding hoses and teeth, and all gearboxes carry an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Make now the time to take control of your land with the Stump Buster from Shaver Manufacturing.